Hello at my factory. This is my new toy, and this is called a Stanko 1K62D lathe, and this is walkaround of it. Maybe it looks in bad condition. Yeah, some kind of things is in bad condition, especially feed gearbox is breakdown, and clutch lever is too high, free play, and maybe some kind of things too. Here is a free play, as you see. Here is a too high free play, and lot of units is little bit dirty. Lot of cleanup over here, but actually machine weighs, now it's black, but actually they are pretty well, I'm happy with that. They are in very fine condition. Over here I found even a scrapping mark, so it's very good. Yeah, there down is a lot of scraps, and I must to clean up there, and so also machine have still original paint, and why I get this machine, just because machine previous owner was go out of his business, so this machine is built in Chelyabinsk machine tool plant, and fine thing is that I get this machine manual, so, and luckily the number on the manual is same that as number over here, so it's like a jackpot in game. So I collect most of the covers to take it off before machine moving, because I don't want to lose them. One cover was gone. This backside down cover was gone, and so here asks for some repair, but machine was under power when I first time seen, and we run it, and so it's fine. What I get with machine, I get lot of stuff, live centers, cutting tools from new to dead, live centers, more cutting tools, some kind of stuff, lot of jaws. Actually there is around 15 sets of jaws. Okay, there is a gears for feedbox speed exchange, some kind of sheet metal, 1 foot, some bronze stuff. Luckily there was both of steady rest, live steady rest and usual steady rest. They are new, still grease on them. Also there I pick up some kind of round text metal, books chewed book, some kind of book about metalworking. It's local language, and one more book for metalworking, in Russian. So I'm lucky with my new machine, but here is lot to do. And few days ago, before I bought this machine, I asked the tool sellers could I get a feed box for this machine, and they said yes, we can order them from Russia. So I see no problems with this, but for now I take some oil and preserve this machine over here, and later when I have some time I bring it into my workshop, disassembly, and so and fix it. So one key 62D machine is built in around from 1989, from 1999, and previous owner said that he get this machine new in box, so I'm second user. So thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.